Hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel. So here in today's video, let me go ahead and tell you how you can enable the emergency siren option or the sounds on your Apple Watch Ultra. So when you are in danger, well, you can enable that sound from your Apple Watch Ultra. Well, if anybody around you, they can feel that you're actually in danger. So if you enable that feature, so you have to do one little thing. Well, you can see the action button and you can see the digital crown button and the power button. So all you gotta do, you can either press the digital crown button or the power button. You can press both action button and any of those button from here and keep them holding unless you see this option appears called siren. So what's gonna happen if you just activate it, it will start making that sound. So it will increase the sound after a while. Well, now if you want to stop that sound, of course you have to tap right here, or you can also directly call an emergency from your Apple Watch Ultra. So let me just stop it from here. And now if you want to exit it, you can simply press the digital crown button, and now this option is going to be gone and it's going to be turned off on your Apple Watch Ultra. So that's how you can use the emergency siren features on your Apple Watch Ultra. Hope you found this video useful. If you think so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you all later. Peace out.